How to find equine dental instruments. 1. Research reputable suppliers. Start by searching online for well-known veterinary equipment suppliers who specialize in equine dental instruments. 2. Check veterinary catalogs. Look through veterinary supply catalogs, which often offer a wide range of dental tools tailored for horses. 3. Consult veterinarians. Speak with equine veterinarians or dental specialists for trusted recommendations based on experience. 4. Visit trade shows. Attend veterinary or equine trade shows to see and compare instruments in person. 5. Look for quality materials. Ensure the instruments are made from durable, medical-grade stainless steel for long-term use. 6. Compare prices and warranties. Evaluate different suppliers based on pricing, product reviews, and warranty options. 7. Check online reviews. Read customer feedback and ratings to assess the performance and reliability of instruments. 8. Verify shipping and support. Confirm shipping policies and after-sales support before making a purchase. Would you like this in a more formal tone or expanded version?